Hello future homeowners! Nandito ako ngayon sa Metro Beach Silang Estates and I wanna show you the quick house tour of Kathleen 128. So this is the carport of Kathleen 128. Nakakasya dito yung dalawang sasakyan. Kathleen 128 has a floor area of 175 square meter. Ang minimum lot area naman niya is 120 square meter. So tara, pasukin natin ito. This is the first floor of Kathleen 128 and this is the living area. This is the dining area with one toilet and bath, and this is the kitchen. So meron itong lanai area and family area. Meron ditong one bedroom na may toilet sa loob. Ang back door naman niya ay nasa kitchen, papuntang service area. Puntahan naman natin yung taas. Meron itong 4 na bedroom at 2 toilet and bath. Pag-akit nyo naman second floor, merong open space na pwede nyo pang gawing pangalawang living area or family area. Ito yung unang bedroom. Ito yung pangalawang bedroom. Pangatlong bedroom. Ito naman yung master's bedroom with balcony access at meron itong sariling toilet and bath. Interested, you can call me or message me na number na nasa baba. Again, this is MJ Almudien. Anywhere, any budget, I can find you a home that you deserve. See you on the next video.